Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send automatic welcome message on Instagram. It's very simple and easy. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open Instagram on your mobile phone and go to your profile from the bottom right corner. This is my Instagram profile, and in the profile you will see a hamburger menu on the top right corner. So tap on it. Then you will see different options. Here select the first option, settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy, you will see for professional section, means first you have to switch your account to creator mode, then you will see these options and welcome message option. So after switching to creator mode, you have to tap on this option, creator tools and controls. In the creator section, you will see the welcome message option. First, when I switched my account to creator mode, this welcome message option was not available here. Then I switched to my second account, and after that I switched back to my this account, and this option is available here now. So if your welcome message option is not showing, you can try this method. Now here you have to tap on welcome message, toggle on this button, then you will see a default message. You can customize this message according to your requirement, and this is how you can send automatic welcome message on Instagram.